This is my first MWL event that I've come to. I think it's great that there's so many different resellers and companies all here in one event.
Although it was a network security event, I didn't feel like it was, you're going to get attacked and you must buy all this stuff. It was a lot more gentle than that and thought-provoking, really.
My technology is very narrow normally, so it was quite interesting to see some of the other areas.
If I get out and about from the office and actually placed in a situation whereby I could directly learn from people, from experts and from specialists in their own respective fields, and I find that a much more effective way of educating myself and I guess self-learning.
I mean, one of the great things about today has been introducing one long-standing customer of mine to another, and they can compare notes and swap horror stories and things like that. I mean, it really personalises what we do.